Cameraman, are you capturing me properly? Are you capturing me properly, cameraman? No get no idiot camera shot for me, no cameraman. Make the people let me see sitting good enough. Hey, cameraman, I don't joke sitting beside the cameraman. Make the people let me see sitting good. Hey, finna lie? Come on, man.
Fishing today.
Orange camera,
Yeah.
it doesn't show that.
Yeah.
Yeah, no. I understand you're being a nice gentleman.
Wagwan people, I'm outside. I'm here at the market. Just come to check Joseph. Joseph's not here.
Yeah, he's sleeping, fam.
And me and Fen outside, yeah. You know what I'm gonna do, people? I've got a jelly coconut today, people, yeah. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna shave down the jelly. I'm gonna ask
shave it, yeah?
I'm gonna ask him to shave down the jelly coconut, yeah.
Okay.
You know what I'm gonna do today? I'm gonna cook chicken in the coconut. I'm gonna make a fire.
Okay.
I'm gonna cook chicken inside the coconut.
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna roast the chicken inside the
Challenge
coconut.
still.
Yeah.
That's gonna taste nice, bro.
Come on, fam. We're gonna have the coconut flavor, and not just that as well. Yeah. We're gonna get a pot today, yeah, that no one's ever tampered with. Yeah. Organic pot. Organic pot.
That's an organic place.
Yeah. So
as
Fen,
you can see,
you see where I go on, Fen? And the jelly coconut, you know, Fen.
wow. Look at it, fam. Proper strips and that. You get me?
Hey, Fen, this is gonna be our pot today, you know.
This is our pot, yeah.
Yeah, this is our pot today still.
Wow. Hey, this is amazing. Still, I can't lie. This is like a new experience, though. I'm not gonna lie. I've never tried cooking in a coconut.
Fen, we're gonna do a madness today. We couldn't climb the tree.
No, we couldn't.
But hey, what it is, Joseph's our guy, innit?
Yeah.
As we said, Pablo Escobar, the master.
Yeah, that's right. This is the Pablo the market.
So
Still,
he got it true. He got it true, innit?
you got it true. Still.
Look at- look
got it through the border room, boy.
Look at this.
So freaking bit.
Coconut chicken, you know. Think of Joe. Coconut chicken, people. All right. Alright, so as you can see now, people, look. Fen's gonna drink his jelly coconut water, look. Whoa, Fen, what's the flavour? What's the flavour like here, Fen?
Oh, man. It's refreshing, man. You know that? Better than Evian water. And it's nice and cold.
Nothing like it, alright?
Nothing like it, bro.
Look where we got it from, look where I go on, people. See it?
Come on.
I'm sorry, but I can't say too much.
It's refreshing.
Wow. That's all I can say, people, yeah. Wow. Look at that, Fen.
Looks nice, though. That shrimp looks proper.
People,
It's really nice.
these shrimps are going inside of
Inside there.
inside of this today, people. Look, coconut, jelly coconut. So we're gonna do coconut shrimp cooked inside of a jelly coconut, and we're also gonna do coconut chicken cooked inside of a coconut.
Jeez.
So people, that's gonna be part of our seasoning process for
Okay.
our shrimp. Ben, tell the people then what happens at the market.
So basically, yeah, Josie's guy, yeah, Joseph's guy, yeah, he basically stripped the coconut for us, yeah, and then he chopped it up for us. Like we got a little piece there. We're gonna show you in a minute, and then obviously he had the coconut water inside. But what was he saying? This was inside like the coconut. He said it sweat.
It's the coconut sweat that make the water.
So
that was one of our brethren that said
analogy,
that.
yeah, one of my
An
brothers
analogy.
said, yeah, that like maybe it's how the coconut gets the water inside.
Because man was saying, well, how does the water get inside the
Yeah,
coconut?
how?
And he's saying, well, it must be sweating inside there innit, and develop the water.
Yeah.
So we don't know, but it can be a research, people. But Fen, look at.
Boom now. What we have here now? Let's come. it smells nice.
So fair enough.
Nice.
Show the people that.
Ooh, look at this now. So boom. Show them now. What we put on there now? Bit of... Hey, look at that. Look at... These are the big boy, you know.
You see that?
These ones are expensive enough, fam.
And then we got our chicken fillet.
Yeah.
So friend, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna cut up something.
Come on.
So I've got one cutting board there, and then a knife there for you. And I got, so I'm gonna deal with these, and you're gonna deal with these. So I'm gonna chop up these. So if you come in, cameraman.
Are you want them cut small?
Yeah, they're small. So if you just come in, cameraman, you just catch me and Fen, because we're just me and Fen in the kitchen now. We just have the hour thing.
Alright, man.
Yeah. So you're good. Cooking for a subscriber. Don't forget to send your meals in, people, yeah? It's not a joke thing. Cooking for a subscriber. We've already got 2 meals that's been sent in so far, people, yeah? Those 2 meals has been curry mutton. James and JJ Dino, big up yourself for sending to your meals already. All
Big
right?
up James and Dino, yeah? Big yourselves up.
Yes, Fen, we have to big them up now because they're on it, Fen.
Yeah.
They're on it, and
They're paying attention, innit?
and they're
That's
showing
what I'm
their
saying.
support and showing beer love, you know, Fen.
Yeah,
Beer
come
love,
on.
JJ and James, and even Maureen as well, and even
Old type Maureen.
and even Gunner as well. Gunner them, yeah.
Old type Gunner as
everybody,
well.
I can't remember the name them from the top of my head. But come and look in, cameraman, and
Look what we're cutting up.
You see this Scotch bonnet? Madness,
smell it.
Fen.
I can
Can
smell
you smell
it.
it, Fen?
It smells nice.
I'm not lying, am I?
No, you're not lying, bro.
No, it's
bro,
mad.
It's mad.
Look.
People, if you don't know what this is, it's a nice pepper. Obviously, you gotta be careful. If you're not really into hot food, then I wouldn't suggest you cut up a lot of it and put it in your food. But if you like spicy food, that's the right place to go there. Scotch bonnet, you see me?
Yeah, look what's gonna happen. I'm gonna transport the chicken.
Right.
In here.
Right.
So the chicken's been transported. And look what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna add garlic, ginger,
Yeah, cut up.
Scotch bonnet. No, sorry, not fish. Prawns and chicken. I'm gonna go to our location. And we're gonna cook. We're gonna cook in a coconut.
Look at that shit in the coconut, you know.
In a
In one
coconut.
of these. In one of these. Has anyone ever seen this before? Don't worry. You're gonna see something real exclusive.
Look at
No,
that.
cameraman can smell it right now as well.
Smell good?
Yeah, man. So
Proper.
all that's gonna happen, we're gonna leave, because all of this, we're gonna try and stuff it in the coconut. We're gonna try and stuff all of this chicken with all of the chopped up ingredients
In the coconut.
In the coconut. It's not gonna be a joke thing, a mad thing. But then we've got one last thing that we need to do.
Yeah, go on.
How are we gonna seal the coconut?
Basically we're gonna knead up some flour, yeah?
Yeah.
And then obviously get into like a dumpling kind of shape and then cover the coconut with it.
Flatten it over it.
Flatten it over.
And make a lid.
That would be banging still.
Alright, cool. That's what we're gonna do, Finn.
Yeah, I think that'll slap still.
We're gonna make a lid. We're gonna make a lid for it. People, so I'm quickly gonna make some dumplings quick and fast because we have to make a pat cover. So look at this now, people. It's a quick process.
So a quick process, yeah?
Yeah.
I'm gonna add in there now. I'm playing, what's that
So
plate
I
I put in there?
made it really wet, yeah. And then all I'm gonna do, because I'm not making dumpling in it.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna get it to the
Make it dry like basically.
to the right thickness that I want, so that it can stick.
Look at that, come on. That's it.
Because all man needs,
Done that quick as well.
literally, let me show you what's
Gonna
gonna
need so
happen.
much of it as
Yeah,
well, innit?
yeah. Where's the coconut? Let me show them what's gonna happen.
So basically, let's get them up. So this is what we done earlier.
So I'm gonna show you what's gonna happen, people. Yeah. So we're gonna have lids.
I lid this, you know.
I'm gonna, yeah, man, that's good,
That's proper.
perfect. So
Jeez.
this is gonna get transported as well and
Put
brought
that.
to a location. Have some flour on it, because keep it going, keep it fresh, moist. Friend, I think we're all set and ready now. You know?
Ready, yeah?
Yeah, man, we're ready
Good
now.
to go, yeah?
We're good to go.
Alright, cool. So we're gonna pack these in our bag.
Yeah, man, we just drop them in the bag.
See, I got put them in there, yeah, so.
Yes, everyone, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm here with my boy Fen. Don't forget to go and check out Fen on the Instagram. You know, music I pop down the the place. The
pop
music
down the place.
Pop down the place.
You see what I'm saying? New project just came out, Dusty Estate. You see what I'm saying? EP, 6 tracks on there. You can get that on all digital platforms as well. My Instagram's Real Fen. All other platforms, Real Fen. YouTube Fen Dizzle. So yeah, man.
Hey Fen, have you ever climbed the coconut tree before?
Do you know what? Yeah, I got a mad story about that. You know, so I went to Jamaica now. Yeah, where was it? It's like the second time I went now.
Yeah.
This time, I've gone as like a tourist. You get me, with like my family, like the white side of the family. You know what I mean? There, like my mum and pick them up. But they go like my uncle and that go to Jamaica regular anyway.
Yeah.
But so we were in the hotel now, and it's got one big coconut tree in there. But I was cool with the people in the hotel that weren't there, like the locals and that.
Yeah.
So there's one guy, they call him Hothead. You get me? Big up man like Hothead.
Yeah.
And they were saying the same thing. What, you know, if I climb that. And I was like, nah man, I ain't tried it before. But then I took off my slippers, but it was hot. When I was trying to climb up the tree hot, burn up my foot. So I get like about nowhere near full way up the tree.
Yeah.
Halfway up the tree.
Yeah.
I said, nah, I gave up.
Yeah.
And they're laughing at me. So they said, Rob, what if you wanna say if you wanted to get a coconut, what you gonna do? You get me?
Ooh.
I cut a long story short.
Yeah.
The brother Hothead, he climb up the tree for me and get the coconut. He said, which one you want? I said, yeah, I want that one, big one.
Yeah.
Climb up the tree for me, get the coconut, bust it. That's like what you're doing now. And then he what's it called? And then he opened it up for me and said, yeah man, drink that. The first time I had coconut water, it was so refreshing. I was like, yeah. And you know what they said as well? They said, oh, if the man climb up a coconut tree, the man they would kick me right off here.
Alright.
Proper team.
So Fen,
Yeah.
this is it, you know. Make we taste it. Because
The juice, yeah.
yeah man, because we're there, so let the people know say real things we're doing, Fen.
Real things are
Yeah man, so drink some of this stuff and
Come on, it's refreshing, you know.
Yes, yeah, people, look, it's a jelly coconut. So we're gonna do coconut chicken today, and we're gonna do shrimp chicken cooked inside of a coconut. We're gonna consume the water that just come out of it, you know.
Jeez.
No one's ever seen this water before. We are the first person who see the water.
In there? Come
Yes.
on. Alright.
Hey Finn, cheers on this one.
Hey, cheers, my bro.
Yes, man.
Aye.
Yeah, it's a big one. And
It is
and
so
to
nice.
everybody that's watching right now,
Refreshing.
yeah, cheers as well. Yes.
And you know what? You know what's amazing as well? How does it stay so cold? It always stays cold in there. That was another
It's
thing.
cold.
Huh?
It's cold, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like it's come out of a fridge.
Yeah, it's madness. I like this. So we've got another coconut. That yeah man, things are gonna go on today.
Things are gone.
Bro, Wagwan people, this is what's happening. Come in, cameraman. Look. We're outside. Everything's happening right now, people, yeah? We've come out with our jelly coconut. Yeah, we're outside with them people, yeah? It's not a joke thing,
Okay.
yeah? Thank you, everybody that's locked into this program right now, yeah? We're gonna be cooking shrimp in a coconut. We're gonna do chicken in a coconut. So it's a madness today. We're gonna pick some coconut, we drink some coconut. You see what was happening before, we was at the market and whatnot. Me and Fen, we're here right now. Alright, Fen?
Yeah, man, we're ready, man. We're ready, man. I'm ready to get this cracking.
So Fen, all one coconut.
Alright.
Yeah. And all one bag, Fen.
Aye.
And I got all one bag, Fen, yeah?
Yeah.
And AY1, we're just gonna stuff our ingredients inside the coconut. That's it. Yeah. So you can use this as a surface top here. Yeah. Look at surface top here. So come in, cameraman, and
I like the way you put that there, though, so they don't roll up.
yeah. So look at this now, people. This is what we're dealing with today. They're all seasoned up. One in and it. One. We might just be able to fit one of these in.
Wow.
They're massive.
This little piece of chicken breast.
He's in. Ben, he's in, you know.
Got one in, yeah?
Yeah, I've got one in.
I'm getting all of this. My goal is to get this bag in.
Alright, look. Ingredients, Scotch bonnet. Oh my days. What are we gonna wash our hands off with then?
No, bro. Man's touching chicken. Got water there, innit?
Yeah, I've got water there. Alright, these, they're going in.
Yeah, the small prawns. Well, they're king size prawns. The other ones are shrimp, isn't it?
Yeah.
Earlier on we talked about prawns, but they're shrimp. Look, wait, can you smell it? Can you smell it, fam? Look at the juice running down the coconut, fam. Alright, cool. This will fit in the store.
So Fen, we've got
onions in
shrimp, coconut shrimp, you know. Fen.
Coconut, chicken breast as well. No bone.
No bone.
No bone. The fire's hot, cuz.
The next shrimp, I don't think it's gonna go in. You see what we might have to roast the next shrimp.
Roast him.
Yeah.
This is still going in, you know, bro.
Get everything from you.
This is still going in, bro. Look. Whoa. Oh, man. How much have you got
Now
left?
look at that, guys. So we've got our shrimp stuffed in our coconut, and Fendi's over there doing the rest of the job, stuffing in the chicken. Good job, Fen. So here we go now. What we're gonna do? I'm gonna start with the dumpling. Yeah.
Let's see how
Our
much
lid.
left.
So-
A bit of Scotch bonnet on top.
As you can see, people, he's making a lid to put on top. Mold it round, nice and soft and moist and stuff.
I don't know if we're gonna get these last bits in, you know.
Look at this, guys. So all I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna flatten out the dumpling over the top of the jelly coconut. Like it's got a little haircut, but it's a pot cover.
Look, we got a bit left, but I don't think the last bits are gonna fit in. Shall I try and get it in, Ringo?
No, it's
Don't
calm.
force it,
It's
yeah?
calm. It's calm.
I just put some onions in that on top.
So look at that,
Yeah.
guys.
I'm gonna dash the onion in that.
So as you can see-
Look at this, smell nice.
Fen,
Sorry, man. Are you putting it in like that, yeah?
Yes, it's in the fire, Fen. It's not a joke.
What, like a breadfruit, yeah?
yes, Fen. We're just
My
roasting now.
guy.
And we're just gonna get our wood now.
Bro,
Look down.
hey, this is amazing, me,
Look.
bro. Hey, what? Let me get. What? Do I have to put one on my one as well?
Yeah, so you have to make a
Let me
lid.
wash off my hands. Look, we got a little piece left. Maybe we can.
No, you don't have to wash off your hands because it's a dumpling.
yeah?
It's a the pot cover. This is nothing.
On the pot cover, yeah. So
Yeah,
what am I
man.
gonna do now?
Just
Alright.
make it just like that, Finn. You want more? Yes, a piece more there. All right.
All right.
And this is for extras. So look at this, people. Yeah. It's coconut we're dealing with today, people. Yeah. It's the flavor. It's the flavor that the natural coconut gives you, and it's just the fact that inside of here it's never been troubled or never been touched before. So we're going to use the coconut today, people. Yeah, that's it for this purpose.
This purpose only. And also, don't try this at home.
So all our mess,
really trained.
we're going to put it all back in one bag. We're not going to leave no mess on site. We clean up after ourselves.
Wash your hands.
So I wash my hands afterwards because you know what's going to happen now, Finn.
Yeah. I just wanted to wash that chicken off, innit?
Kitchen I go on, no nothing.
Kitchen I go on now, yeah.
Yeah, man, I
Hey, Ringo's on it, you know.
Kitchen I go on, no nothing. So man, I can build the fire better.
Fill up the fire now. This is like a proper, like we're jerking it up, like obviously we cooking the coconuts.
And I
Careful.
pop. No man, I would me a pop nothing. You just a pop wood man. Yeah. And
Pop
then
it.
you got your fire lighter in here.
Yeah.
You can light up the wood them and we put them in car. We're not itching, we don't smoke at the face. Put some fire lighter over
Right,
over
okay.
there. Yeah. Some big wood over there. Go on, have this there like furnace inside there.
Have you guys ever seen this before? Have you ever seen this before? Cooking on a trolley, coconut with chicken, shrimp, yeah? Big prawn, whatever you want to call them. Yeah, man.
Nah man, just come man. That's the only way it has to be high to burn. Yes people, thank you very much. You know say you have to remember that it's cooking for a subscriber. Ringo Vision is cooking for a subscriber. Not today, but 7 days after today, everyone, yeah, that's when we're gonna go into our raffle and pick the meals. Cooking for a subscriber, everybody, yeah. Just, you have got 7 days from today to send in your meals. We've got 3 meals in already, guys, yeah. Send in your meals because we're gonna pick 3 meals and we're gonna cook those 3 meals, and there's something to give as well. There's something to receive. So everyone, get your meals in. Ringo Vision 24-hour kitchen. Thank you very much. We're on a vibes right now. We're in season 3, people. Look here. We're in a season 3.
In a season 3.
Look, I'm here with my boy Fendi,
summertime, you get me?
See it, so. Yeah, man, the fire blaze.
Spring, you know.
Yeah, man, see the coconut them, yeah, the coconut them are roasting, you know.
Yeah, it's like breadfruit, isn't it? We're
Look,
doing
look,
it like
come
a
and
breadfruit.
see. Yeah, come and look and
So
see.
you see, what can I ask you? See,
Yeah.
like with breadfruit, this is like the technique.
Put the camera on,
breadfruit.
because in my talk to it. Yeah, look, hear what Fenna say.
Yeah, so basically, this would be like a technique that you would do with like breadfruit, isn't it? With roast breadfruit.
Yes, Fen,
Yeah.
it's just like if we were to get a whole breadfruit
Yeah.
and put a breadfruit in the fire and just roast it.
That's right.
But
yeah.
the only thing we're using the coconut now, Fen, yeah, as our oven. Actual oven.
That's right.
But
yeah,
I want the cameraman to come and capture this and see the dumpling on top of it.
See it.
Yeah, because it's locked in the dumpling is locked in there, you know. So Fen, you know all we need?
Yeah.
All we need is heat.
That's right.
It doesn't have to be, the old coconut don't have to be under the fire.
Yeah, you're right.
It just has to be
hot.
on. It just has to be on the fire and
insulated,
heat,
isn't it? It's like an
a pot.
insulator. Yeah, like a pot. That's
Yes,
right. Yeah,
yes,
yeah.
Fen, like a pot.
And then the chicken underneath and the prawns and that will just cook underneath and the
Yes,
shrimp and thing and the
yes,
onions and
yes, man.
start marinating and bubble up together and you get me?
Yes,
Come on.
Yes, yes,
I
yes.
can smell it. I can start smelling the food a little bit now.
Hey Fen, look here. Come and do a little thing, Fen. Look, you think you can move the fucking without dropping off?
Alright, go on.
So
you're trying to kill
so
man
we have to
today.
try to get across one of them.
Alright, go on.
Alright.
He's got balance, you know.
Alright. Are you all turning up? Yeah, man, we're outside, man. No, you have to start from here.
Huh?
You come to here.
Hey, you man, I might have failed this already. Hey, hey. I'm scared of heights as well.
No, I'm dead. No, I'm dead.
I done it, man. I done it. Hey, I done it.
No, I'm dead. Now, that was a good one.
Hey, Ringo's got balance though.
Yeah. Now look, the coconut them are roast now, Fen.
Right,
It's
it's
not
nice,
even a
man.
joke. The coconut them are roast. Yeah, man, it's a good vibes,
It's a
people.
good
Yeah.
vibe, you get me? Outside, it's nice to cook outside as well. Like, it's a different atmosphere, you know, and it's a little bit chilly.
And Fen, we got a sugar cane there, you know.
Ooh.
But guess what? We ain't got no knife. We ain't got no nothing. We have to break it in half if we and
And
use our-
feed it with our teeth.
Yeah.
Make it teeth stronger, they say though, innit? It's good for your teeth as well.
Yeah, man,
Clean
naturally.
it out like a floss.
Yeah, naturally.
Yeah, man.
Hey, Fen, I can't wait to taste the come out because you know that it's got the coconut,
It's
the
gonna have
jelly,
the- yeah.
the jelly's
gonna-
inside. So
yeah.
I'm wondering if like I'm not too sure. Then I'm wondering if the jelly's gonna melt or something.
Yeah, this is like you've never done this before, have you?
Nah,
The first time.
First time. So we have to keep maintaining the heat of the fire, people.
Oh, yeah. Making sure the coconut get the right amount of heat.
Yeah, man. As you can see, we got our wood here. We got our natural wood here. We got the wood them here, people. Yeah, man. So we just come in and have a look at the tree coconut them, and get in a little bit closer. If you can see the coconut them a roast. Look, coconut a roast. Yes, people, the coconut a roast.
Roasting.
Yes, look at that one there.
Roasting.
Roasting. Yes.
Ooh.
All right.
So imagine the flavour, the food
Yeah,
inside. So you say, I'll peel off the sugar cane now, you'll get teeth here like that. Get on styly. Get on styly, yeah?
Yeah.
So you say back in our yard, them man have no knife, straight like this, yeah?
Cool of it, man.
Cool off him, man.
A few your piece starting up. It's my piece.
What do I gotta do with this? He want me for balance on this, I want me for... Yo, I better survival tactic today. Oh, my piece. Never. The food think I got false teeth.
Man, them with the grills can't do this either.
And then with dentures and grills, boy. Some man got dentures as well. I like it, was really cheap.
You can't lie. Look at that. Oh my gosh, people, yeah. You know what it is? This one is a madness. Yeah, man, we're outside, people, yeah. 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision. Look what I got on. You think it's a joke? You think it's a joke? You think it's a joke? Yo, and we are eating some sugar cane as well now, people, yeah. Yeah, man, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, man, Ringo Vision and Fend, we're outside.
Outside, man.
Oh my gosh, the coconut is actually, look, they're changing color, they're going dark. We can tell that our coconuts are roasting. Look at them, look at all three of them. All three coconuts there. Oh, the fire, the smoke going into my eyes is peak.
I ate sugar cane for so many years.
So as you can see, guys, yeah, look, this is the lid. One second, I'm recording, guys. One second, I'm recording.
Right,
Yeah. Look at this, guys, yeah. Look, I've got the lid on the coconut them, you know. Look, the lid. That's the lid there, the cover. Look at the fire. Look at the fire that the coconut is in. We're roasting the chicken in the coconut. We're cooking the shrimps in the coconut. Yes, people. We're utilizing the coconut basically in every way possible. That's what we're doing today, people. We're utilizing the coconut in every way possible. We drank the coconut water alive, and
Yeah, keep it recording.
we drink the coconut water alive, and
Yeah, man, we drank the coconut water, we ate the jelly as well.
yeah, man, big
Yeah,
up.
man, we're getting in tune, man, with nature, you know?
Strange camera.
Yeah,
It doesn't show that.
yeah.
Yeah, no. I understand. You're being nice, gentlemen. We totally.
We have-
The chicken looks cremated more than cooked.
No. Look. So,
Oh right.
so basically, we stuff the coconut with the
Where are you
food.
going? And I'll meet you, and I can have some in a minute.
Yeah,
If you want, bro, you can, though.
Yeah, just gonna go by the park.
All the worry is because the smoke's billowing over.
You told him it's
All
all
they
right.
could see. Yeah, no, you be a gentleman about it. That's the thing. If you where the alley goes, if you go and stand around just round the corner there,
That's where we're going.
Right
and
now.
you're out of thing. Listen, respect to you, gents.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much
Thank
for
you
being
very
so
much.
understanding.
Thank you very much.
You know.
Yeah, that's the
Fire
problem.
marshal, so sorry,
That's
big
the
man.
problem because it's breezing over and the drivers are pulling it in.
We have to go, people.
Where this is dry,
Yeah.
you won't know if something falls, the whole lot goes.
Thank you very much. Yeah.
Safety,
Sorry about
Have a
that.
good day, yeah?
Yeah.
Right, gents,
Yeah.
no worries.
Bye.
Said he doesn't want to move fast. Yeah. Look, we just have to blow out quickly, people. Yeah. Come in. We have to go. Look at the coconut then. Look. Oh my
It looks like
days.
roasted breadfruit. I keep telling you.
Yeah, it does look like
It
roasted
smells,
breadfruit.
started to smell nice, man. You just start smelling the chicken and
Flavour's coming out of it, innit?
Yeah,
It's not a joke. Look,
When they-
the kitchen's on the go again, people. Like, it's a madness. You
That's
know?
why it's good that we've got it like this one.
It's not a joke. Look, we're traveling right now, yeah, with the kitchen.
Joke.
We've got the coconut here.
Run out of that little bit there because it was on the tram line.
So the,
CFO come and got us out.
the kitchen's on the go.
They still said they wanted some of the food.
Right, people, we're at our different location right now. We're just blazing up the fire again, yeah, to get these because we need to make sure. Because once we bust it and open it, we don't do no tests. We don't do no tests and open it halfway or nothing like that. Yeah. When I open this up here, me and Ben are gonna experience and it's here. The smoke is mashing up the cameraman. The smoke is mashing up the cameraman, people.
God. man.
So here we go now, yeah? If you grab that bag, make it.
So I gotta go somewhere where light up now.
Yeah, man, we're gonna bring the trolley to somewhere where we can get a bit more visual. You see it, friend?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Cause now the fire light up, we can move again. See what I want, people?
We are move again, you know.
Yeah, man.
They always try, you know, it's all this thing.
I'm more watching the smoke, trying to hide from the smoke.
I'm more watching on the potluck. Dusty estate. See man rob their own friend bare face and that heard man kill their own friend bare face in a dusty estate. People are fake saying that they move weight but they sign for the JSA every Tuesday, speak facts in the raps and say in the movie. Nowadays no one really cares about the truth, G. You don't care if you got talent, only care about views, G. On this dusty estate. Every time I...
Yeah, man, that's a jelly coconut water, wash off your heart. What do you say?
Jelly coconut water, wash off your heart. You
Yeah.
have to have a clean heart to keep them food.
So, I'm trying to cook the cleanest food, Ben.
Yeah, come on.
Yeah, nothing ain't got in this pot cover here, you know.
Come
In
on,
this
fam.
pot, in this oven.
Fresh.
Yeah, man, the fresh oven, man.
Oven.
These guys, look at this. You see the dumpling sizzling. Look at the sizzle, people. Yeah, man, you know things are going inside of here, yeah. Yeah, man, it's not a joke thing. 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision. Yeah, man, we are cook shrimps and we are cook chicken inside of a jelly coconut, people. It's not a joke thing. Have a look and see what I want. The fire that is coming off of the oven right now is immense. I could imagine the heat that's inside of the coconut right now, just cooking everything. That jelly coconut that's inside of the coconut shell itself. I don't know if it's melted down or anything like that, or if it's melted into the food itself. Because I've never done it before. It's the first time, so we're gonna experience it together, people, and see what I want. 24-hour kitchen. Cooking with Ringo Vision. Whoa, look at this. Alright guys, as you can see now, the fire is coming down to like almost an halt. Let me say, Fen?
Almost halt.
Yeah man, because look at this now. Pull up,
Rewind.
and come again.
You get me?
Yeah man, we're there man. Fen, look. It's not even a joke, Fen. Look, the thing them will roast up.
Yeah,
so
man.
we're just gonna wait for, I think we should just try and get the most out of the fire, Fen.
That's
yeah?
right, yeah.
And then if we get the most out of it,
Yeah.
all we can say, if it never work,
Yeah.
we can just say, okay,
It's trial and error. It's trial
and error, and it needs more heat for a longer duration
That's
of
right,
time.
yeah.
But the whole aspect and the idea,
It's
sell
a
out.
good idea because if we was to even do it, pull it in the oven and that, then you know it will bang properly without the thing on it.
Yeah, man. Look at this, people. Look at the dumpling on
You
top
see
of
that
it.
it's coming out with the smoke coming. You can see it cooking in there, bro.
Look.
Like, you see it cooking right there. Look, right there. See the smoke coming out this side.
Mad. Look at this. Oh my days. I put this one here, yeah, upside down and put so that the dumpling, the heat can come through the dumpling. You get me?
I look at it smoking.
Yeah. There's some light right there now, friend. I think we should push the trolley.
Should we bring it over there, yeah?
Yeah, I think we should bring it over there. Alright everyone, so you know we're at that time.
It's that time, bro.
Yeah.
It's that time to see if this really works.
Yes, it's that time to see when it really works. Yes.
Hey, people see that? People, you see, just grab it out the thing.
Because one onto the fire and everything.
Aye, look at that. Yes, people.
Come in a bit closer. It's in here. So you know that pen.
What? What's that? What's that? The chicken?
Yeah, this is the chicken. This
It ain't cooked though, is it?
no, is cooked. That's what you can see. That's red, yeah.
That's the pepper.
Yeah, that's onions in it.
Oh, that's onions.
Then
It's cooked up.
it cook up.
Hey.
And people, cameraman,
now,
cameraman, go in there. Come in there, look.
Hey.
You think a joke? The jelly coconut around in there, look.
Yeah, look.
The jelly coconut. Look at the chicken, fam. The
Stuff
chicken is. Look at the chicken. It's popping. Look. That's a chicken, you know. Look, the chicken is mashing out. Why-oi!
Why-oi!
Jokoi! Man needs to get inside of this thing here right now and see what's really happening.
Yeah, see what it's saying.
People, they need to cool down. This one needs to cool down. So, where we're going to defend here. How are we going to get the food
Inside.
out of there? So, everyone, I've had to use one of the four plates to turn into our spoon, our knife, our fork. Let's
see how it looks. Yeah.
Let's get Pen. Hold the plate, Pen, and let's do this properly. Yeah, let's do this properly, Fen. Look. So this is chicken that's gonna be coming out, Fen. Yeah.
Wait, can you smell the Scotch bonnet?
Fen, what's that dumpling? Man? Drop off.
The dumpling, drop off.
Fen, this is chicken that's coming out.
Oh my, it's hot as well. It's proper hot. Smell the aroma of the coconut as well.
Oh my
Imagine how
gosh,
the jelly
look.
would taste now as well. You can always use that for rice and peas.
Madness. Look, Fen,
Oh my god.
cameraman.
I want to try it, man.
Yeah, Fen, taste it.
Cameraman, are you going to taste it?
Mm-mm.
Wow.
Coconut chicken, cooked in a jelly coconut.
Cooking now this.
Mad thing. People.
Wow. No, the flavour. We're eating with our hand because that's what you would do if you was
So people,
wild.
look what happened today, people. We cooked this inside of a coconut. A chicken cooked inside of a coconut, people. We've got two more coconut.
The flavours
Yeah.
are mad.
We've got mills.
Cameraman, see it? Cameraman feeling the flavour.
Good.
Then, but the coconut consumed the heat.
You taste it. You taste the coconut as well, innit?
Mm. All the seasoning in them. You know what's so healthy about this? You know,
No oil in it.
no oil.
No oil.
Not the time. It's banging.
Dash it back into the mouth.
Let me take the onion in them.
I like the way it's
Onion
going.
them are soft.
Chicken just mashed down into it like.
So if man put them in little small couple chunks. Yeah. Jelly, man. I just want to taste a piece of jelly.
Wow.
Mad.
Flavours.
Jelly coconut, you know. Look at the oven, guys. The oven. Yeah, so
Alright, cool.
it's working. So we've done our trial error to see if the first one worked. It worked.
It works.
We've got two
perfectly.
more. Yeah.
The one's this one.
This is the dumpling, you know.
Christmas present.
Look at the dumpling. Oh, look, even the dumpling inside.
Oh, yum the dumpling, boy.
I'm tasting the dumpling, fam. Mad. Now wait there.
I'm all eating the shell of the coconut. I'm on it.
Wait there.
I just want this crossing.
Look at the dumpling.
Okay, we're in there. Woo!
Look, I got a piece of dumpling. Look, hot. Nah.
Right, look.
Oh my days. Pen.
Your thing open.
Pen.
Wow.
Wait there. I want to taste a piece of this dumpling.
Hey, this is hot.
You want a piece of dumpling?
Is it nice?
You take
got
it
the
one
coconut-
out, sir.
it's got the
Look,
coconut
the
shell on it.
cameraman took all the dumpling. I know the cameraman took all the
And the
dumpling.
cameraman's on it, man.
Bad.
wow.
Bad, fam. Look. Now look at this. This is not a joke. Look. Let's get all like.
Trying to get this one.
This is not even about the vegetables yet. It's about these guys here, fam. Look.
Hey,
cameraman,
the bad boys.
Cameraman, can you see
It's
this?
still opening my one, man.
No.
Oi.
No. Look.
Can you smell it though?
Listen.
The aroma.
Chicken. Look. Not even
My
chicken.
thing
Look.
open, look.
Look. Shrimp cooked inside of a coconut, people. 24-hour kitchen cooking with Ringo Vision. Ringo and Pen, look.
Woo! Top chefs in the building.
Look at this. This came out of our jelly coconut people, yeah.
This is
mad
mix
thing.
and match.
Pen, look.
This one's a mix and match.
You want a piece, sir?
I got a bad boy in there somewhere.
Then open up one and eat one.
Oh,
Pen.
man.
Have a piece of this then. Taste this.
Bud.
Taste this. Mad thing. Let's taste it. Let's taste this something. Cameraman, how it tastes like?
Good.
Mad.
This is mad.
Nice. Woo! Look, there's more in here, you know. Can't you get them out?
Yeah, watch. Hey, I've got him. It's hot.
It's hot. It's hot. The heat that's coming out is
Woo!
piping.
Look. Ah, lost him.
What do you mean?
Might have to get that full crew boy. That. Look,
Let me
come
put-
out.
let me put that
Popped
one
out.
Oh, let's try and
Look, cameraman. Is that our rubbish?
no.
That's our rubbish there.
Yeah, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna put that one there and there.
Look.
That's the head gone. Head soft. One second. So,
Alright. Wait, look at
knock
that.
him out on here, Finn. The head them will come off.
Head. That's some of the chicken.
Yeah, because that was a
This
chicken
was a
mix.
mixed one. Yeah, this was a prawn chicken mix. This one here. Hey, look. Hey, can I get him out? Yeah, come out, man. This is one of the big ones. Look at this big one. Here.
Look at this. Look at this. Look
It's
at
like we went
this.
fishing today.
Yours
Yours come out. Fine, fam.
No. This is not a joke, guys. This is not a joke. Look, the head is mashed up here, but look, this bad boy here has been cooked inside of the jelly coconut. Shrimp cooked inside of a jelly coconut, people. Oh gosh,
Where's that? What's it called, man?
Fen,
There's that food. Look, there's a big one
look,
here.
let's work on this. Let's work on this. Look, come, Fen, look.
Yeah,
It's-
cool.
Fen, look.
Hey, wait there. I want to be.
Look at the meat in the side of this. Look, taste that. Oh, taste that.
It tastes different. Shrimp.
Shrimp, a different taste.
Different taste. That's what they eat in Mayfair. Sweet, isn't it?
Shrimp.
Wow. Even the chicken that was mixed with it, you can taste the Scotch bonnet.
Yeah,
It tastes a bit like onion.
shrimp mad. Alright. So, cameraman, you want a shrimp? Fen, you want a shrimp?
Yeah, man.
Alright, look, may I take a piece of chicken? Yeah. So people, look at this now, yeah?
We're eating prawn and shrimp.
We've got a next bad boy in here. Look. Coming out of the show. Look, coming out. Coming out of the show, everyone. Look at that. Cooked inside of the jelly coconut. Wow. Cooked inside of the jelly coconut, people. Yeah? 24-hour kitchen cooking with Ringo Vision. Cameraman, are you capturing me properly? Are you capturing me properly, cameraman? No get no idiot camera shot for me, no cameraman. Make the people let me see sitting good enough. Hey, cameraman, I don't joke sitting this side of the cameraman. Make the people let me see sitting good. Hey, Fen, I lie.
Come on, man.
Look,
let them see
the
the sitting
chicken,
good.
look,
I know the head
look,
come
this
off
is a
as
mix.
well.
Oh gosh.
Hey, look, the
Look,
chicken.
Fen, the food almost were done, you know. Nothing else did they know after this.
Oh, man.
Oh,
So we have
my
to break
God.
it down now. Make
Let's
sure-
break it down.
Alright.
Alright.
Go on, cameraman. Grab that now.
Alright, you have a piece of chicken, Fen.
Yeah, man. Grab
You got a piece of chicken as well, look. Cameraman, make sure you see the camera working, man. Mad move.
Let's say, when you go quiet, the food good.
Alright, look.
That means the
People,
food good,
guys,
quiet.
everybody, thank you. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Ben, bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Cameraman, bon appetit.
In German, they
Look
would
on the
say...
boy there.
No. Yo, him say more food.
Alright.
Tankrashan.
Look at this. Let's look. Oh my days. Fen, look at
Look at the smoky
Now,
coconut.
let's show them this. Show the cameraman, show them that, please.
Look at that though.
Please show them that, please, cameraman. Can they see it? Let's get in the light,
Yeah,
please.
get in the light, fam. Look how chunky that is.
Please show them that, please.
Ooh.
Are you sure you have
got
to
it,
check? Yeah, man. Fen, take a piece of this.
Go on, let me take the piece, man.
Cameraman, may I take the piece, yeah? It's a piece then. It's a piece for you, cameraman. Look. The cameraman, I hit today, no? How long time you eat food? Eh?
Good food like this.
See it there. Alright. Yeah.
Can't lie. Oh, it's 10 out of 10. 10, bro. 10. Oh, worth it.
People, today, cooked inside of these jelly coconut. You can still see the smoke coming out of this. It's not a joke.
There's still onions and vegetables.
Yeah. Look. It's not a joke, people. This one was. Yes, people, look what I want. We're at the completion and at the end of the episode. Thank you very much. Don't forget, people, to send in your meals. Ringo Vision is going to cook a meal for a subscriber. Today, I cooked inside of a jelly coconut. Shrimps and prawns inside of a jelly coconut. Chicken inside of a jelly
Levels
coconut.
to this.
Bad as well.
Levels to this.
We drank the water.
Bro.
We ate some jelly. And then we left the next tree with the jelly them inside of it. And then we put the smoke coming out of it, Segway. Yeah. Look at that.
Come on.
Yeah, man. 24-hour
Banging.
kitchen, cooking with Ringo people.
Delicious.
Cooking with Ringo Vision. It's cooking with Ringo people, you know. I was gonna say, you know, that come out my mouth, you know. 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo
Vision.
and
Pop, pop.
people and everyone. Yeah, man.
Don't forget to like, subscribe.
Yeah, but listen, the episode we thought we was finished, but we never finished.
We're not finished.
Fen here bust open one of the coconut and said,
Oh
"Nah,
my God,
Ringo,
look, you man. Look.
jelly. We're eating jelly, roast jelly."
And it's flavoured.
Give me
Look,
this.
take these.
Look at that.
You man, come on. The dankest jelly man's ever had, fam. Dankest coconut jelly. Fam, flavour.
Mad.
You can sell it.
Backside. Oh yeah, I said. Oh yeah, I said to me, say.
All the jelly's around there, bro.
Look. Jelly peng, fam. That's
It's not a joke. Look.
Hang, fam.
the bush chocolate trout.
See the jelly there?
24-hour kitchen.